Hey, I didn't expect you here today, but the first time I plugged in the KEF LSX2, I just listened instead of doing anything else. Not because it was louder, because it sounded right the very first moment. Before you go deeper into this, take a moment to check the current price and stock. Systems like this don't stay steady in value or inventory for long, and hesitation is exactly how people end up watching prices climb or units disappear. This isn't for someone who shrugs at muddy mids, thin highs, or sound that feels flat and distant. It's for the person who feels when music lacks presence, when vocals don't sit up front, when instruments don't seem rooted in the room, or when movies feel quieter than they should. I used to settle for good enough speakers that got the job done but never stopped me in my tracks. Then I heard these, and that relief, hearing detail and balance in every track, hit differently. Once you've lived with that level of clarity and definition, anything weaker starts to feel like compromise you shouldn't still be making. In real use, this system doesn't just fill your space, it paints it. Late-night listening sessions feel intimate and alive because every instrument has room and depth instead of competing for attention. Movies suddenly feel anchored, dialogue pops forward and effects have weight instead of being smeared in the background. Even casual playlists feel full and expressive instead of flat and distant. This isn't about louder output, it's about sound that feels intentional and placed where it belongs. That's the feeling of music you actually engage with, not just hear. While you're thinking this through, take another glance at the current price and availability. Waiting for a better deal is exactly how people miss out or watch prices climb without noticing. If you're hesitating, that's just your brain comparing this to speakers you've gotten used to. But once you experience richness that stays detailed across every genre, highs that stay clean without harshness, mids that open up instead of blur, bass that has presence without boom, everything else starts to feel like sound you used to tolerate, not something you want. One surprise I didn't expect was how balanced long listening sessions feel, not tiring or muddy, just natural and expressive. You feel every instrument's space, vocals stay clear and upfront, sound feels wide and intentional, music feels rich and alive. It makes lesser systems feel flat. It's absolutely a premium step up. You'll notice weaker gear every session. At some point you stop looping through comparisons and choose what already feels right in your gut. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and then regret every time you sit down and think, I wish this sounded as good as it could. Check the current price and make the choice that finally matches how you actually want your audio to feel.